You've wasted enough time. Another day gone. Another week wasted. Another excuse made. Be honest. Do you really want to change your life? Or are you just following the trend? If your answer is no, don't watch this video. But if it's yes, this is the last video you'll need to change your life in 30 days. No more motivation. No more fake hustle. Just action, discipline, results. Let's get into the video without wasting time. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Most people never change because they keep waiting to feel ready. Waiting for the perfect time. Waiting for motivation. But the reality is, you'll never feel ready. The only way to change is to start now, even if you're scared, tired, or unprepared. If you don't, you'll waste another 30 days, then another, and still be the same. But here's the real question. How do you actually start? Sounds tough, right? Don't worry. The answer is simple. Start with a small plan. Big dreams don't mean starting perfectly. They mean starting imperfectly, but consistently. A small plan, done daily, can change your life in just 30 days. Here are 5 real small steps to change your life. Step 1. Wake up early as you can. You don't need to wake up at 3 a.m., 4 a.m., or even 5 a.m. Just wake up earlier than your usual time. If you normally sleep till 9 a.m., don't force yourself to wake up at 5 a.m. on day 1. Start small. Wake up at 8:30 a.m., then 8 a.m. the next day. Slowly, with consistency, you'll reach 5 a.m. The goal is progress, not perfection. Step 2. Workout and meditation. Waking up early isn't enough. You need to move your body to really fix your day. You don't need to lift heavy or become a bodybuilder. Just do simple exercises like stretches, push-ups, or squats. It refreshes your body and gives you energy for the whole day. But a fresh body alone isn't enough. You need a fresh mind too. Just 5 minutes of meditation every morning can calm your thoughts and reset your focus. And reading 1 to 2 pages a day of a good book will slowly start to reshape your mindset. Step 3. Quit bad habits. Start good habits. Junk food destroys your health. Porn kills your mind. Partying every night drains your money. You don't have to quit everything in one day, but you must start. If you eat junk food daily, cut it down to once or twice a week. If you watch porn often, reduce it to once or twice a week, then quit it completely. If you party every weekend, reduce it to once a month. Quitting bad habits won't change your life instantly, but quitting them slowly and forever will. And just quitting isn't enough. You have to replace bad habits with good ones. Instead of junk food, drink 1-2 liters of water daily. Instead of watching useless videos, watch valuable content. Instead of clubs, go on a hike with real friends to refresh your mind. Step 4. Learn a skill. Build your value. Waking up early, working out, and quitting bad habits will change your routine, but not your life. The real key to changing your life is money. The more you earn, the more satisfied and free you'll feel. It doesn't matter how early you wake up or how much discipline you build. If you're not making money, your life won't change much. So how do you actually start making money? You learn a skill that pays, something you're actually interested in, and you start right now, not next week. Stop wasting all your free time. Use at least 1 hour a day to learn a skill that can make you money in the long run. You don't need a college degree. You don't need to be a genius. You just need consistency. Learn video editing, learn designing, learn coding, writing, freelancing, digital marketing, anything you can offer online. The internet is full of free resources. YouTube, free courses, real content, no excuses. After just 30 days of consistent learning, you'll already be ahead of the people who've been thinking about it for years. And once you build the skill, you build your value. And when you have value, money follows. Step 5. Fix your night. Everyone talks about waking up early, but no one tells you the truth. You can't win your morning if you lose your night. Scrolling till 2 a.m., watching random videos, texting people who don't matter, it's destroying your energy. Start small. Put your phone away at least 30 minutes before bed. Write down your plan for tomorrow. Reflect on what you did today. No pressure, just honesty. Go to bed at a fixed time, even if it's not perfect. Fixing your night doesn't mean sleeping early once. It means creating a chill routine that helps you end your day with control, not chaos. Calm nights, clear mornings, productive days. If you're still watching this, that means you've understood every step clearly. Now here's what I want you to do. Make a promise. Right here, right now, drop a comment saying, I'm starting my 30-day journey. Not for me, not for anyone else, for yourself. And 30 days from now, come back to this video and reply to your own comment. Let's see how much you've changed. Because if you follow this for real, you won't just have a new routine, you'll have a new life.
Would like to take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke.